everyone. Welcome to Privacy, a platform for recording videos, putting privacy filters on them, and sharing with recruiters, doctors, or even teachers. As soon as we launch our project, we are greeted with the sign in window, which has the username, email, or password field. We have a navigation bar here to sign up or sign in. So, why don't we go right ahead and sign up? We're gonna put in our email, a new username for us, a password, which you can see. For birth date, we have an option to manually enter it or use this calendar. For the account type, we're going to be putting personal, and it's optional to put in an organization code, but if you're sharing videos with someone, you need an organization code. We have a generated one, 1234 for our organization. The email field also has email check, so it shows it's not a valid email. The password has checks, must be 8 characters, uppercase character, a special character, and must have numbers. Let's register. So successfully registered, like it shows on the bottom of the screen. Let's log in. 11, and I'm gonna be putting in a wrong password. Sign in. Wrong password. And let's sign in with the correct password. So we are greeted with the dashboard or the home page, which has a little info about our app, welcomes you to our app with the logo. We have our get started button to get to recording a video directly, and about us page. And then we have an important feature where we have this navigation bar with more features after signing in. You can either access the features through these icons right here, or if they seem confusing, you can expand the navigation bar and look at what each of those icons do. So let's start by going into our profile page, which greets you by the name over here. We have our email that cannot be changed. We have avatars, which you can choose. We have our name, username, which you can change here. The organization code, which can also be changed from here, and we'll also select a gender. Let's update the gender. Perfect. Now we can go home by clicking this privacy logo. We are home. We can create a new video from here, or why don't we try out or get started. So this is the video recording page, where you can record a video, toggle on blurring features, and give it a name, attach a comment, playback, download, and submit, which are disabled right now until we record a video. We also have the option to preview before recording. So if I click on the recording window or the play button here, it'll give us a preview. Let's start recording. So while we are recording, why don't we name it test 1? We'll say hi. We'll toggle recording, blurring as on, and we will stop recording. And we will submit the recording. So while we submit, it does the blurring, transcription, and uploading to the S3 bucket right now at the same time. So it takes a minute or two to get to the next page while all the processes are running in the background. We also have the option to check a playback video before it gets blurred or transcribed, and download it as a WebM file, which I'll be showing you in a bit. So here we have it, guys. We have our name test1.mp4, which gets encoded to mp4 from WebM. We have the creator name, the date and time. We have a blurred video here, 19 seconds. We can play back after blurring right here. And let's check the transcription and the blurring. So while we are recording, why don't we name it test 1? We'll say hi. We'll toggle recording blurring as on, and we will so as you can see, the transcription and blurring works perfectly fine. Now what we can do is we have a contact list from our organization only. We can send it to SAM11. We are SAM13, and send. We return home. Next, we have our video archive. Let's dive into that. So the video archive shows all the videos ever created by the user. We have our video here that we just created, and a sending option for all the older videos if you want to send it. They show up right next to each other, and we can check this and send it. Let's record another video, and let's not blur it this time. So we'll off test 2, record. Hello, how are you? Stop. We can play back. Help. We can download it as a WebM file, and then we submit. So now since the blurring is off, it's just gonna do the transcription and upload to S3, and we should be seeing that shortly on the next page, just like we did with the last one. Hello, how are you? So as we see, the name is test2, and let's send this to SAM11 as well. Return. And if we go to the video archive right here, we have both our videos, and we can send it to SAM11 or anyone through here as well. Next we have our inbox page, which is empty right now because nobody has sent me any videos, but it basically shows all the videos that have been received by the user, which we will be checking out shortly. Lastly, we have a support page. If we go to our home, the support page can be accessed by the navigation bar or through this about us. We have all our co-founders here, a little info about our project, their GitHub links, their LinkedIn links. And lastly, we have our option to sign out. So why don't we start signing out? So we're all signed out now again, and let's sign in with Sam11, who we sent the videos to. So we'll sign in with Sam11, sign in. Why don't we check out the archive? So as you can see, Sam11 has no videos in their archive. They've never recorded a video, and they have not received any videos. So if we go to inbox, we see video requests from Sam13. We have 2 videos, test 1 and test 2. Let's accept one. Upon accepting, it takes us to the archive page and shows that the video has been sent and received by Sam11 right here. The creator name also changes to Sam11, as you can see. And we can go to the inbox. We have 1 more request. If we reject that, we have no more requests. We go to archive. That video was not accepted. The user can again create a video and do all the same functions. Then we can sign out.